Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you guys in this video how I achieved this cute little look right here. All the teasing, this little spike, the curling, all that good stuff. It has this little bang right here. I absolutely love this style. It's so cute, simple, classy. Like, it's classy, but it's a little funky. You get what I'm saying? It's classy, but it's funky. It's funky. Yeah, but just stay tuned and watch the rest of the video, and make sure you guys let me know how you guys like this look. Leave a comment, like it, share, everything. All right, so without further ado, let's go.
My ex told me she loved me, she lied, and that's alright. I guess she wasn't for me, she can't be my wife. When I'm
I want to do the half up, half down with the bang curl in the front, with the curled bang in the front. Duh. Yes, I'm gonna do the half up, half down with the curl bang in the front. I already installed the wig. As you can see, this wig is a wig that I have for a long time. But I'm gonna go ahead and take out the baby hairs. I don't really need too much right here, so I'm just gonna take out a little baby hair right here. They're kind of already there. I'm just gonna pull these out. Pull out the baby hairs right here. Let me put this back. And I'm also gonna take out some baby hairs over here that's already there. Just gonna pull these out. And I didn't do the ball cap method. I have a stocking cap on, but I chose not to do the ball cap method, just because I'm trying to protect my edges. So, okay, so I think that's perfect actually. So that's enough baby hairs. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this little piece right here. Pull out the rest of the baby hairs. This one is already there because, like I said, I had this wig on already. So that's how we looking. Boom. So make sure y'all have y'all flat irons and all your irons that you're going to use turned on. I'm using the this curling iron from Dry Bar to curl the hair because I want it curled. I don't want to wear it straight because I just had it straight. And then I got my flat iron right here. The products I'm using to mold everything is going to be this Got To Be spray. I'm going to use this wax stick right here, and I'm going to use this mousse from Olive Oil and this Big Sexy spritz. It says spritz and stay. Only Fit focuses on the bottle. Okay, boom. Can y'all see? There we go. Alright, so it says spritz and stay, and it's from Big Sexy Hair. So those are the 4 products I will be using. I actually think it's too much, so let me take out a little bit more. Yeah, there we go. I think that's better. Alright, so that's how much, I think that's how much hair I'm going to leave out. So since this already out, I'm just going to go ahead and braid it so I could keep it out the way. Alright, so now we need to part off the hair we're going to use for the ponytail. Okay, yeah, perfect. I'm thinking about, actually no, I'm gonna leave it just like that. I need to pull out some more hair on this side. Yep. And I think I'm gonna pull out some hair right here. Okay. Alright, so now that that's up, I'm just gonna use a little clip just to clip it like that, so I could put this hair in a scrunchie so it doesn't go into the ponytail while I'm trying to mold it and do everything like that. Alright, boom. There we go. So now I'm gonna start to mold the I'm gonna mold the little ponytail thing. And now we're gonna hit it with the hot comb. Be careful, y'all. Be very careful.
Yeah, so what brings it to the...
All right, so now that I have it molded, I'm going to use the Got To Be spray, and I'm going to use the spritz. Ooh. All right. Ooh, 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 ooh. All right, boom, boom, boom. Now the rubber band. I'm gonna use 2 rubber bands.
Okay, well, we'll be back around 11.
All right, boom, boom, boom. That is slicked down. Don't worry about this right here. I'm gonna fix that. All right, boom, boom, boom. I'm trying to make sure all the tracks are covered. I'm gonna need to put some glue right here because I feel like they're lifting up. But other than that, perfect. I'm gonna use one more rubber band, but I'm not gonna tie it tight. I'm just gonna use it to flip the ponytail a little bit. All right, boom. Here we go. I'm gonna use the clip. Clip it right there. Alright, I'm gonna leave that like that for now because I'm gonna tweeze it and do all the other stuff. But now we're going to work on curling the hair, so I could take the ponytail out now. Ooh, yes ma'am. Take out the ponytail. Ooh, this is gonna be so cute. I think I need to tease this a little. So I'm going to take some hair front and back, hold it up, and just pull that hair down. Boom. Look at that. That's how you want the hair to stand up. So I'm going to just keep pulling pieces and just stick it up like that. Ooh, look, look, y'all. So pretty. I'm going to do one piece on this side. All right, it looks like a little flower. It looks like a flower. That's so cute. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave it just like that, and now we just gonna curl the hair. I don't want I want light curls, so I'm just gonna do a little piece by piece. That's cute, that's cute. And the curls are gonna fall, so I'm not gonna do them too tight, but I am gonna do them in different directions, like so. One away from the face and one going towards the face. This iron does most of the curling. Just gonna hold it for a little bit and let it go. Hold it and let it go. Oh, let me clip this out of my face. Clip it out of my face, out of my face. It's fine. Alright, my camera died, but I'm just gonna continue. This side, this is how the curls is looking. I sprayed a little got to be on it just to hold it before I curl through it. And we're just gonna go ahead and start curling this side the same way. Nothing, I'm not doing any particular parting. No particular parting when I'm curling. I'm just grabbing pieces and going, grabbing pieces and going. That's it. I'm so glad that this flat iron does most of the job. That's why I love it. All right, baby hair's done. Now we gonna get to the thing. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit of the wax stick on there. Hot comb first. Ooh. Okay. There we go. There we go. If first you don't succeed, try again. I didn't want them so long, so I'm just trimming it a little bit. Give it a little funky style. This one. All girls have a fit like this. That is perfect. That is perfect. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, so cute. It looks so cute already. So I'm gonna spray a little bit on this side. This piece is not curled. So I'm gonna curl it real quick. All right. Yeah. Spray this part. All right, let me take the band off. 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 You ready? She's alright. That girl's alright with me. Hey. Alright. I'm gonna just bump the ends of these. Alright. Yeah, that is cute. It is so cute. All right, you guys, this is the finished look. Let me tell you. Hold on. I got a jam on my, what's going on right there? Yeah. This is the final look. This is how the top looks. Yep. And this is how we looking with the curls. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. This is cute. This is real cute, y'all. Real cute. Don't watch my background too much, but yes. This is real simple and sexy. It's sexy, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Y'all see it? Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys like this style because I absolutely loved it. It has to be one of my favorites, and purple is my favorite color. So you already know I had to do the big one, and I definitely felt like I did a great job on the style. So make sure you guys leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and all the good stuff. All right. Thank you so much, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Bye.